Hey everyone, welcome back. So this is going to be my layout update for January and my first layout update for 2018 because I know it's been a while because I've just been busy with some things and getting some new stuff. So first off, I gotten my Bachmann turnout switch fixed. So I didn't have to spend like $52 for a new one. So yeah, so I got fixed finally. I figured out how to do it because according to the instructions, like it says here, I finally found out how to fix it. So power, like whenever train runs by, the power doesn't get cut. So that's great. So because of that, I redid the sidings and for this yard I have, which is pretty cool. It's still not complete yet because apparently I don't have any left switches, so I'm gonna have to get a new one right here. So I'm gonna probably install one right here so I can get it fixed again, and then right here, and I'll also need some bumpers to fix that. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna have around this space. So yeah. So I have redone the track. So overall, I think it looks really nice now. Got the track done, you know. So yeah. So moving on, we also have two new locomotives. These are newly released from the Atom Roundhouse line. So besides like NS4001, the DC to AC conversion unit, I also picked up these two. They're really nice. I got Kansas City Southern, which is my very first Kansas City Southern locomotive I have. The KCS Grey Ghost looks really nice. So I'm gonna be modeling Kansas City Southern now. And this other one is CSX in the YN2 scheme. Now the reason I picked up this one, like number 506, because this one has like a K5LA. Like both of these have K5LA, so as you know. But unfortunately, Atom Roundhouse put like the 3 chimes on them because, as you know, these are like for like beginners and all them and stuff. But after all, I think they're really nice locomotives. I really like them. So they're really nice locomotives. And now because now it's great that I'm adding some more foreign power to layout. So I got this, my CN M-2, and my Tier 4 at the back, which is can't really see. Here, I'll just. So we have 3 of them. 3 foreign powers. Layout. So really like these locomotives, and if you haven't got one, I think you should get these because I know some of these are selling out really fast. Because I know the most popular ones are the NS DC to AC ones, so they sold out pretty fast. So yeah, those are the new locomotives. And my only new freight car I have is this Canadian Pacific boxcar, which is an Atom ready to roll. It came with the new Atom ready to roll packaging. You know, I'll show you. It came in this one. In the white instead of like the one with like the yellow and blue. So it's really not. This boxcar is really nice. So yeah, that's just my only new rolling stock I have. So another thing that's new, that I decided to install these model power signals. These are the crossing signals. Although these crossing signals don't really flash, you know, like a real one, like real railroad crossing signals do. It has like a little switch that's like here. There's like a little switch right here. And all you do is like if you turn the switch like this, the other one, the one on the other side, lights up, and then that. It's really nice. So basically all you gotta do is I just wire them onto this Bachmann controller. So basically I'm gonna be using this controller for like wiring for like model power signals stuff, because I'm thinking, right here I'm thinking about getting some signals. I'm gonna install some signals right here. So like these Bachmann signals, which are the non-working ones, I'm gonna put like, I'm just gonna put one here and the other one by the yard. So I just put the non-working ones. So I'm gonna get some of the model power working signals, kind of like this one, and I'm gonna place them right here. And also look really nice to have signals on the layout. So yeah, looks great. So hoping for the next update, I'm gonna finish up the yard. You know, get another left switch and some buffers and maybe and so on. And I'm gonna get some signals and stuff. And hoping thinking about getting some more newer locomotives, like, because I know like Walther's mainline released the new ES44ACs and the C4s and all that stuff. Like they released the BNSF, UP, CSX, NS, CP, and CN. They just released those, and also the new Intermountain coil cars have also been released. So I might get some of those. But after all, this is my layout update for January of 2018. So hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.